Day 71, 2025. So today is National Plant a Flower Day, which means that go find you some seeds or already have grown flower and plant it, whether it be outside the house, it could be even inside the house. Now, the way I think about plants and trees and flowers is that I think of them as being an extension of my lungs, of my body. If you go outside or you sit in front of the plants that you have in your home and you breathe in, you are breathing in, at least from the substance part of it, right? Because there's a whole lot of other stuff floating around in the air. But the part of it that we really need to live is that oxygen that's being exhaled by the plant. And as we exhale, right, the carbon dioxide, the plant then inhales that and processes that. And so then it becomes this circular thing that's occurring. And in that process, it's healthy for us to think of those plants as an extension of ourselves. We require it to live. And it also requires us and other animals, right, for exhalation purposes to live. It's that cycle of things. So when you have that relationship with whatever plants you own in your home, the trees that you see around you, think of them as an extension of you. And I know oftentimes when we think, we're not conscious of when we're breathing. We're not thinking about it. For those who meditate regularly and you focus on that breath and breathing, many of us, or many of those people who do that, become much more conscious of their breathing than before they practice it, and more than others. As you become more conscious of your breathing cycle and what's required in that process, that chemical exchange that's occurring between you and the plants around you, think of what that relationship is. There is a relationship there. And just like any relationship or a healthy relationship requires nurturing and care. So as you care for your plants, approach it with a nurturing spirit and know that there is a give and take here and there is a symbiotic relationship. All right, peace, y'all.